Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the incoming call problems in your device Vivo Y3s. So if in this device you are having any issue related to the incoming calls, like you are not receiving the calls or they are not showing on the display or your screen, you can solve this problem by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call issue in your device. Let's watch it.